From a generational perspective, it's just been really cool to see what every generation has brought. My grandfather started in the truss business, and then my dad invented Trimjoist. And now it's really cool that our generation is building a new plant and kind of giving Trimjoist this like new life. And we're getting to reintroduce this product to this whole new group of people. And we get to talk about it again like we're talking about it for the first time.
Trimjoist is the marriage between an open web joist and your traditional I-joist. So it has 12 inches of trimmable material on either end that you can trim to fit on site, but then it has the benefits as well of the open web to run all your plumbing, HVAC, stuff like that.
You just trim that joist right on site. You get exact fit on time every time without compromising the structural integrity of the overall floor system.
My dad is genuinely one of the smartest people I've ever known.
He actually drove to Texas and purchased this like humongous computer to help aid him in this idea of creating Trimjoist, which was really cool. My dad did that back in the early 90s and opened Trimjoist in Mississippi in 1994. Once they hit the ground running, they just kind of were full steam ahead. We've been manufacturing the product in the South ever since. We started floating this idea of like, hey, we want to set Trimjoist up as this national brand. The idea surfaced of like, what if we built a plant out west?
Being from the South, believe it or not, it was a pretty easy plug-in for us as a family coming here and just really melding with Idahoans in general.
We were able to find this land down here in Kuna. We rolled the first Trimjoist off the line in July of 2024.
Everything that we're building these trim joists out of is sourced in America. Everything down to our steel metal connector plates are made here in the US. That's something we're really proud of.
Ever since Brian and I were tasked with doing this, we always knew that we wanted to build a business that put our employees first. And I would hope that if you asked our plant manager or if you asked our maintenance chief or any of our floor guys, they feel like when they come in here that they're respected.
I'd hope that we'd be more than just an employer, that we'd give our employees in just the greater community a business who is looking out for them, providing for them outside of just your weekly paycheck.
We're not only stepping into a family business and just carrying it forward, you know, we're like actually building something new with a product that's tried and true.
I hope to grow this to a point where we have hit max production on our assembly line, fostering those relationships with the contractors, architects, engineers. That's what really excites me, is just creating those partnerships.
Man, we love this. You know, I know it's not for everybody, but I feel very grateful, very blessed to be able to do this together every day.
There's no one else I'd rather be building this business with.
I mean, we really have tried to take every aspect of the business and kind of like flip it on its head a little bit and say, how can we breathe new life into this? It feels really humbling, really exciting, and really neat to just be part of the next generation of the business.
We believe that strength and innovation, driven by engineering and teamwork, will transform the construction industry for the better.